Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about my cruise that I went on. So on the 6th of January, that sounded really weird. I went on a cruise, and basically the people on the cruise ship got sick. By the end of the cruise, there were about 500 people or so that were sick. And if you hear some noises in the background, somebody's actually cleaning our gutters. Of course, the day that I film, that's when they want to clean the gutters. But I'm not complaining, whatever. Clean the gutters, do what you gotta do. Anyway, so I'm gonna be showing you a couple of the days that weren't really interrupted by any people that got sick. We went on a 7-day cruise, so like 2 to 3 days of it was perfect. We got off at one of the ports, the very first one, which was Haiti. And after that is when people got sick. I guess maybe, ooh, my hair is just a hot mess. Maybe, you know, what they were eating. That's really loud, sir. That's really loud, sir. Anyway, so yeah, I hope that you enjoy this video. It's basically what happened on my vacation. All right, well, I'll let you see it. Hey guys, so if you didn't already know, I'm on a cruise. I'm on the Oasis ship, and this is Royal Caribbean, and it's amazing so far. The first day, I didn't really vlog too much because I was just taking it all in and just really enjoying my time here. So I do have a couple pictures and maybe like a few clips that I can show you. So I'll go ahead and show you those.
In the casino and starboard side.
Like that side. It's not like actually 50 parts.
It's rising bar.
More like no, wait.
Where are you
Every time we go.
Where are you going?
Is it moving?
Yep, it's like that.
Oh.
Next departure at 10 p.m. It tells you when.
Oh, wow.
So every half hour.
Interesting.
Pools above us. This is really relaxing. This is
Beautiful background. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah.
Wow.
wow.
This is really pretty.
Can you see from far behind? This is really nice.
Who made these teeny ass
Sorry.
chairs? Look at that. Such detail.
They put like gel for the water.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Let you know it's Ripley. That's some big ass rocks on the golf course, I'll tell you what.
Are they propeller? Oh, they are propellers. Look at the way that they're facing. That's interesting.
That is interesting.
But today we are just hanging out. This is day 2 of my 7-day Royal Caribbean cruise on Oasis, and it's been amazing so far. I'm actually on the balcony because I have a balcony room, but it has a view of the inside. So this is what it looks like. And I'm pretty sure that this is the Central Park area, and it looks pretty amazing. So it's pretty freaking cool. I love it so far. Yesterday on day 1, we walked through here. We did an ice skating show. What else? We ate a lot, like way too much. It was crazy. I think that's pretty much it. I mean, we were pretty tired and just, I guess maybe just overexcited. So it's been really wonderful so far. So yesterday we left, today we're just cruising, and then tomorrow on day 3, we're gonna be on the first port, which is Haiti. Labadee, Haiti, which is a private island that they lease, own? I don't know. Royal Caribbean has rights to it. So we're gonna be there and we'll show you a little bit, but if I do anything else that's super like exciting, I will let you know. Actually, I'm going to a restaurant called Sabor, because with this room that we booked, one of the perks is that we get a complimentary lunch, a complimentary lunch with oh my god, I am so relaxed, it's ridiculous. That's why I can't even think. But yes, complimentary lunch with this booked room, the balcony room. And I'll just show you a little bit once we get there. Maybe my mind will be a little bit more clear. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Hey guys, we are here at Sabor and it looks pretty delicious. Looking at other people's
Ladies and
food.
gentlemen, this is Liesl speaking from your art team on board. We will be hosting our champagne art auction happening.
Right, your fingers. So now that's a little bit more quiet. Okay, so we're just kind of waiting for service. It's a little bit slow here, but I'm sure because it's really, really busy. But we're here with my friends. Yay! And Freddie. So happy, always so happy. It's here. So this is the empanada, and this is the chicken wrapped in bacon.
Short rib, vegetable, shrimp.
Nice. I got some pinto beans, I forgot what type of meat, and chicken, and then a quesadilla as well. And then what did you get?
Short rib, yuca fries, and habanero sauce.
Oh, okay. And you? Chicken? Chicken. Okay guys, I am leaving Sabor right now, and it was very, 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 very good. Oh man. Gotta do the washy-washy, hold on.
She's like, she goes, oh my god, and I can't.
You gotta fight for your right to party.
We're on vacation. You gotta eat everything.
No, you don't. No, you really.
So what did we think about Sabor?
It was good.
It was good, right?
Out of what, 5?
Yeah, sure. Out of 5.
3.5.
3.5.
3.5. The appetizers were really good.
That's 4 or 5.
For the appetizers. The entrees were okay.
Do not get the short braised beef brisket barbecue biscuit braised.
It was very sweet.
It was too gross.
Sweet. Very sweet.
Oh, gross.
Okay, and gross, apparently. Hey guys, we are on our way to dinner. This is the first formal night. I am wearing something that's just very low-key. low. So I will be vlogging our food and vlogging our outfits because we look good, guys. We look good. We check in right here. Hey guys, so we just finished having dinner and now I have my dessert. That's creme brulee, and he has what?
Apple pie a la mode.
Apple pie a la mode. Then you have chocolate cake and carrot cake and carrot cake. Yum. So digging in here. Oh, it's really dark.
It comes soon.
Is it sweet? Yeah. Enjoy, guys.
Enjoy, guys. Enjoy it.
Baby.
Wow, that's you.
Stop.
Make sure it's 21 cards. Pick one and put it back inside. Only one.
You gotta pick a card too.
Okay.
Okay. And then put it anywhere you said?
Yeah.
Everybody pick one or just somewhat? One person each? One?
Only
Okay.
one person.
Alright. Mix it up in there, mix it up in there. 21. Okay. What was that again?
Yes.
Alright. No. I will put all the cards on the table.
Okay.
When you see the card, you don't show. You're gonna show me the column. I'll do this one first and I'll do another one.
Okay.
Don't show. Just show me the column. You see the card. Alright. What column is it? 1, 2, 3.
It's in one.
It's in one. You sure, yeah?
It's in one.
Still in one?
Yep.
Yeah.
Sure, yeah?
No, it's pointing up to you.
One again?
One again. Yes.
Turn the camera off.
We won't put that one up.
We'll edit it out. We'll edit it out.
Alright, let's see. Alright. Let's try it. We're gonna
Okay.
try it. We're gonna try again, huh?
Okay.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, you can trust the guys, huh?
Yeah.
If I'm right, I'm right.
Yeah, you're right. Absolutely, yeah.
This should be your side. Let's see.
Flip it over, Chris.
Turn over, let's see. Let's see this. Tell me if I'm wrong, it's alright.
Oh, good job. Good job. Oh, nice.
That demon magic.
What are you doing?
Hey, so we are back in the room and we have a little friend. Freddie called it a rat. I'm not really sure what it is.
No, it's a rat.
Is it a mouse?
Field rat.
It has little eyes. That's cute.
Do rats not have that?
Rats totally have eyes, just to clear it up here. But yeah, we're just gonna get ready for the gym, and then after the gym, we are going to a comedy club. So just living our best life, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.